America was flying blind and without machinists engineers couldn't get their mistakes repaired shirt. The Chimerica. Without machinists engineers couldn't get their mistakes repaired shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Intellectual property theft isn't just a without machinists engineers couldn't get their mistakes repaired shirt. The problem in Chinese companies. It's their lifeblood. It is how business is done. None of this was going to end well. But American administration. After the administration kept ignoring the issues while our manufacturing base dried up and the Rust Belt rotted, Trump was enough of an asshole to finally put a stop to this. This was an enormous policy change and he deserves a great deal of credit for doing so. After attacking our troops in Iraq, the Iranian regime went all in on hubris. Told the US there is nothing you can do about it. Turns out pride comes before the fall. Other product.